someone asks you this question, which nation or population in the world that really loves the pleasure, the party, your answer has to be the Haitian population. Haitian loves to party. They spend money without any control during the festive seasons, especially during Christmas and the Carnival. The Carnival is the Haitians' favorite holiday. It is a celebration held over several weeks each year leading up to Mardi Gras. It usually starts from the middle of January to the beginning of March, but ends each year on a different date. Every Sunday, Rara, or musical bands playing traditional songs related to voodoo which composed of different drums along with the following instruments: cha-cha, trompette, cornet, bamboo, grage, and a lot of others. Besides the banrara, the compa, racine, and rap band prepares their carnival songs too, and in accordance with the theme of the carnival. The band that treats best the theme wins the carnival's prize or award. Haiti's largest annual carnival is held in the capital and largest city, Port-au-Prince, with smaller celebrations taking part simultaneously in Jacmel, Okai, and other locations in Haiti. The last day of the carnival is Mardi Gras, so it ends on a Tuesday. During Martelly's presidency, an interesting and qualitative change happened. The government decided to hold the official carnival event in a different region or town each year, which of course enhanced the economy of the town in which it is being held. The interesting thing is the fact that the songs summarize the country's current situation at every level: political, educational, social, and more. One only needs to listen to the carnival songs and summarize the past and current country's situation. And of course, Haitian Carnivals is renowned for its colorful settings like people wearing ugly, monstrous, disgusting disguises, the graffitis, the different artistic and painted commercial podiums, the females wearing sexually attractive clothes, the bodybuilders, and hundreds of fights that usually happened during the band performances. Not only that, we usually have motorcycle parades. Roller skaters. And many other different shows.